Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the state government university. And coming to the salary wise, the candidates who are having the post graduation with the NET or SET or PhD, they are going to get 28,000 rupees per month. And the candidates who are having only post graduation with 55 percentage, they will get the 22,000 rupees per month. Okay. So here some very good departments are there, guys. I mean, most of the candidates will cover under this department. So before going into the main content of this video, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Okay, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the government teaching positions. Okay, so please share this video to them. It will be very helpful to those candidates, guys. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is a cluster university of Jammu. And you may check down the applications are invited on the prescribed form from the eligible candidates for the temporary post of assistant professors or the teaching assistants for the academic session 2021 to 22 to be engaged on the contract basis as an academic temporary arrangement on a consolidated salary as per the university norms. And here the last date, okay, here you may check down following subjects being taught in 5 schools of the cluster university. Okay, 5 schools of the cluster university of Jammu, situated in 5 constituent colleges of the university, so as to reach in the office of assistant registrar establishment, administrative block at GGM Science College Jammu on or before 6th May 2021 is the last date, guys. Okay, through speed post or else the register post. Fine. And coming to the subjects here: English, mathematics, geology, chemistry, physics, commerce, education, botany, zoology, history, linguistics and literature, and EVS. So these are the very most repeated subjects, guys. So I think most of the students will cover under this one. So definitely it is a huge vacancy recruitment, guys. And coming to the qualification for assistant professor, master's degree in concerned stream, having good academic record. Okay, at least 55 percentage of marks at the master's degree level in the relevant subject from any recognized university in the country. And next, NET or SET shall remain the minimum eligibility condition for the recruitment and appointment of assistant professor in universities. Okay, and whoever the candidates, I mean PhD candidates are there, okay, they did their PhD as per the regulations 2009, they are exempted from the NET or SET. Okay, so in case the eligible candidates pursuing NET or SET or PhD are not available, then the candidates having the master's degree with 55 percentage may be considered as a teaching assistants, and their salary shall be per the university norms. So if you are having only post graduation without UGC NET or without PhD, then apply, guys. If the NET candidates or the PhD candidates are not available, then you will get a call from the university. Okay, and coming to the qualification of history is also given here, almost the same thing whatever we saw for the above. And qualification for linguistic and literature, okay, so master's degree in linguistic or English with at least 40 percentage of coursework, in linguistic with not less than 55 percentage of marks, and the remaining are also same. And coming to the salary, the consolidated salary for candidates selected with NET SET or PhD qualification is 28,000 rupees per month, and the candidates who are having only post graduation with 55 percentage of marks, then they will get the 22,000 rupees per month. Okay, and period of engagement shall be up to end of academic session 2021 to 22, or else 1 year or the vacancy against which the appointment made is filled up on the regular basis. Okay, so a few other conditions are also given here. You may check down, guys. The shortlisted candidates will be invited for the interview to be held in Cluster University of Jammu. So that means based upon your applications, they will directly call you for the interview. So there is no written test, guys. Okay. So however, the candidates seeking exemption from NET, SLET or SET are required to produce a bona fide certificate from the concerned university to the effect that the said candidate has been awarded PhD as per the UGC regulations 2009. So that's why this candidate is exempted from the NET, SLET or SET qualification. So this type of bona fide certificate must be produced by the PhD degree candidate. Okay, and Besides the prescribed qualification mentioned above, the criteria for selection of candidates for the post of assistant professors is also indicated below. Academic record and research performance 50 marks, assessment of domain knowledge and teaching skills 30 marks, that is teaching experience 10 marks, and 1 point per academic year for UG teaching, and 20 marks for teaching skills based on the lecture on a topic in a subject. And interview performance is 20 marks. Okay, so selection criteria is given here, guys. So 50% as per your academic and the research performance, and 30% mean 30 marks for your domain knowledge and the teaching skills, and here 20 marks for teaching skills based on the lecture on a topic on a subject. And candidates will be shortlisted for interview on a base of 100 point scale. Okay, and a candidate will be selected only scored at least 50% in each category mentioned above separately. And here the shortlisting criteria is also mentioned here, so you may check down this how many number of marks you will get if you got 80% above, 60% above in the graduation and post graduation. Okay, MPhil, PhD, NET with JRF, or else NET, or else LET. Okay, so all these points are given here, so please go through this one. Okay, and here the application form is also given, guys. So application form for engagement of teaching faculty on contract basis. So fill up this application form, and whatever the attachments they are asking, okay, so please attach all those documents. Okay, and send all the hard copy of these documents to the mentioned address here. Okay, so to this mentioned address on or before 6th May 2021, you have to send either speed post or else a registered post. Okay, so finally it is a in detail notification regarding this Cluster University of Jammu, guys. So if you are having post graduation only in these departments, or else if you are having post graduation with UGC NET, post graduation with NET qualification, then you may apply, guys. But the rules once check, those are given in this advertisement. Okay, so if you are having any queries, then please put your query in the comment section, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in the government universities. And for more notifications, subscribe, guys. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, So it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you, that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide